Blind item news, aktor inaming wrong time na nakilala niya si aktres. Ito nga ang sabi niya sa isang interview. Alam mo yun, destiny really knows how to mess with you, no? Yung tipong everything feels right. You get each other so easily, parang ang gaan lang. Like it's supposed to be that way, deep down na you're good for each other, maybe even meant for each other, pero the timing just isn't on your side. Everything's there, the connection, the comfort, the kind of love that feels real, hindi pilit, hindi complicated, but life happens. Maybe you're both still figuring things out, still growing into you're supposed to be, or just in different paces na hindi pa nagtatagpo the right way. Ang hirap lang kasi, it could be work. You can see it, you can feel it, but for some reason, it's not happening now. And no matter how much you want to hold on, minsan you have to let go. Not because you don't care, but because it's just not the right time. It makes you wonder why things happen like that. Bakit ngayon pa? Bakit siya pa? But maybe it's not about losing them. Maybe it's about becoming ready first on your own. And if someday your path grows again, maybe that time it finally makes sense. But if not, at least you get to experience something real. And not everyone gets that.